Hey, this is John Young. You're looking at two of probably my favorite, well, okay, so they're in my top of the Ryobi power tools in that 18 volt series, the 1 Plus. These are the sprayers. 1 Plus batteries, 18 volt batteries, off we go. Great little sprayers, but the problem is you can probably see, maybe you can't, is we managed to snap both of the little mixing cup lid covers. And it's one of those things that are a little difficult to find. Well, I found a source for these. Yay, I've got some replacements, so I'm really excited about that. I'll put a link in the description below so you can find these. But one of the things, and you can see both of them broke. What ended up happening is that inside you've got your little gasketing and everything that you would want to have to seal. But the tendency is that when you're putting them on and then you start tightening them down, that you're going to over tighten them. Literally what you want to do when it comes to these and you're putting these on is you want to barely finger tighten them. They don't need to be super tight. The goal is not to do that, because what ends up happening is if you tighten them, you end up breaking the end right off. And as you can see, it happened on both of my sprayers. So not only did it happen to one of us, but I think, I don't remember, I don't think I broke both of them. I think I broke one, and then the other one was broken by another family member as we were filling it, putting the lid on and not wanting it to leak. So if you have done this, the link to get these, the replacement parts, is in the description below. Otherwise, these are great sprayers. We have one of them that we mix with a kind of a natural chemical to go spray on fruit trees, and we do that pretty much weekly in the summertime to try to keep some of the bugs and such, but it's a natural that we use. And the other one we had set up to go and spray a natural chemical around the buildings to keep mice out from Nature Side. So we've got a couple of different things that we have done with these, and we have them set and we kind of use them throughout the season. But obviously once you do this, then you try to do this with a piece of plastic in there to try to keep any debris and things out, and it's just not a real cool thing. But now we have replacements. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Thank you for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.